Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, the city stead. We got the potatoes started. As you can see, we got chives down here, still going strong. And we got the kale, a couple more things of chives and kale. They held up pretty good through the winter, growing through the snow. We got some more chives over here. And the butterfly bush is going strong. So I'm going to get a little bit more compost around the bottom. We need the butterflies to pollinate. So there's the potatoes. I got 2 rows here, 2 there, 2 there, 2 rows over there. And I left a little aisleway to get in there. So I see this on a lot of 2 channels. One was probably a month ago, and the other one was probably a year ago. They wanted to do an experiment because they're tired of digging in the dirt with a pitchfork and the shovel. And they did this on their homestead, and they had lots and lots of potatoes. What they did when it's ready, they just peeled back the layers of straw and compost, and there was the potatoes right there on top of the ground. They will root into the dirt. So I have to try this experiment myself. It'll save a lot of time and a lot of digging. A lot of back ache for the old man. I'm not old. Did 100 push-ups today, 120. So I'll put some more compost over here. And after I clean the pool out and fill that up, I'll be putting a solar panel on there to run the hot water into the pool. Got to have a solar pool heater, folks. Welcome to the Grand Solar Minimum. So that's it in a nutshell. Just thought I'd let you guys know I started growing food because you can't find much in the store anymore. So I'm going to fill this whole section up soon. But we're going to have some cold nights, maybe for about 3 more weeks. So I'm going to hold off on some things until I get a plastic lid on the raised bed. I don't know, it's going to be 1 or 2 canopies, probably. And then I can bring down the rest of the kale or whatever I got, chives upstairs and such. I want to get them under there because they've been indoor all winter long. But I'm gonna stop it right there. And you have a nice solar garden day.